안녕하세요 여러분, 잘 지냈어요? 오랜만이네요. 미안해요. 저는 며칠 동안 너무 바빠서 동영상을 촬영할 수 없어요. So let's learn our lessons, that is to learn consonant. And today we are going to learn jyot or j. When the j comes at the starting of the word, it pronounces j. Example, jhonan, chumal, chara. When it comes at the butching position and doesn't followed by the vowel or followed by the consonant, it pronounces ta. Example, chatta or matta. When it comes at the butching position at the end of the word, it same pronounces ta. Example, nat, nat. And when it comes at the middle of the word followed by the vowel, it pronounces j. Example, ej or aju. Krom, annyeong.